Do you read words by separating every single letter? If yes, then stop doing this from today, because today I am going to teach you one simple English trick. After learning this, you will not need to memorize spellings, and you will not need to break words again and again. Look at one word, chair. When we write it, we write chair. But when we read it, do we say C-H-A-R? No, we say chair. Now look at another word, ship. Here again, S and H do not give separate sounds. They join together and make one sound. Shh. Did you notice one thing? Every letter does not give its own sound. Some letters join together and make one new sound. And this is where English becomes easy. This is called a digraph. A digraph means two letters but only one sound. For example, CH, chair, SH, ship, TH, this, PH, phone. Now let's go one step ahead. Light, LIGHT. But we do not say lighthet. We only say light. Here, IGH makes one sound, I. When three letters join together and makes one sound, it is called a trigraph. For example, IGH, I, light. DCH, watch. DGE, bridge. Why are digraph and trigraphs important? Because they make reading easier, improve pronunciation, make spelling stronger. Now here's the practical tips. Do not teach letters separately. Teach sounds together. Underline the sound in the word. Teach only 2 sounds a day, but teach them clearly. If you understood what are digraph and trigraph, then why not answer these mini questions? Write your answers in the comments. If you understood today that English is not about breaking words but about understanding sounds, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comments below. What should I teach next?